If you are suffering from tax season depression and you are tired of working long hours for seasonal income and not enough profit, and you're ready to transition to work with business entity clients, but you're really not sure how, then stick around, because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to be successful in transitioning to business clients. The first thing that you need to know is that working with business clients is more than just reporting income and expenses. There's a lot of schedules that get attached to the tax return, and you have to understand how they all work together. You need to understand the balance sheet. You need to understand the income statement. You need to understand the trial balance, looking at those documents and seeing what is out of place, what doesn't make sense. For example, if a client gives you a balance sheet and it's full of negative numbers, or even a profit and loss statement and it's full of negative numbers, you should be able to look at that and tell that something's not right. And that could mean that some income and expenses are not being reported properly, which could then create downstream issues when you are reporting this income on the owner's tax returns, and now they may have to pay way more money in tax than they really should because something wasn't reported properly on the return in the first place. And when you have that understanding, you understand how things flow together, you know what documents to look at, then when you're talking to your clients, you can do the second thing, which is explain the situation or their tax situation to them in a way for them to understand. Tax is very technical, and we don't have to make it more difficult for our clients to understand by talking in tax jargon. They don't necessarily understand what basis is or depreciation, and God forbid you start talking in code sections, they're really just gonna check out of the conversation. But one of the things that my clients love about me is I'm able to break down complex tax situations or tax concepts to them in a way where it's relatable to them. They understand it and they really know what's going on with their taxes so that they can feel empowered to make business decisions, understanding how it's going to impact their bottom line, not just their net profit, but their net profit after the taxes that they're going to have to pay. In order to work with these business clients, because you have to be so technical, because you have to spend some time talking to them and explaining all the things about their business, it's really important for you to have a process that you stick to and you don't allow clients to go outside of that process. Whatever that process is for you, you have to stick to it so that you are able to give your clients the time and attention for their particular tax situation that it deserves, and that allows you to charge those premium prices that you're going to be charging them working with these business clients. If this video resonated with you, please do me a favor and go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you're notified anytime I post any additional videos, and drop me a comment about what you liked best about this video. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye.